This is Mr. V. In this video we will factorize an expression by identifying algebraic factors. So we want to factorize the expression 8x squared plus 12x. So we have 8x squared plus 12x. And we want to find some numerical or algebraic factors that are common to both of those. So if I'm looking at 8x squared, one way that I can make 8x squared is by multiplying 4x by 2x. Right? 4 times 2 is 8, x times x is x squared. And one way that I can make 12x is by multiplying 4x by 3. And so here we now have this common factor of 4x that is in both of them. And so what I can do is I can take that common factor and I can place it out the front of our bracket so that we can factorize. So 4x, and then we have some term in brackets. That's our factorization step. What's inside of the brackets will be the leftovers. So we have left over 2x plus 3. So 2x plus 3 goes in the bracket. And that's it. Let's have a look at this other one. In B we have 24xy minus 18y. And so again, we're looking for these common factors that are both in 24xy and 18y. And straight away, I can tell that this y is a common factor. What common factors can we pull out of 24 and 18? In other words, what number will divide evenly into both of those? And I can see, well, 18 is the same as 3 times 6, and 24 is the same as 4 times 6. So they both have a common factor of this 4. Of this 6. So we can take out the common factors, which are 6 and y from both of these. So when we factorize, we're going to have 6y in front, bracket, and the leftovers are 4x for the first term, minus, and we just have a 3 for the second term. And that's it. That's how we can factorize by identifying algebraic factors. Fantastic.